This video will show you how to easily import rubric data from a spreadsheet such as Google Spreadsheets. Here I'll switch to Google Sheets. I've entered a rubric here with 3 columns and 3 rows. The first cell should always be the rubric name, and then after that the column names, which I've labeled A, B, and C, and then I have rows 1, 2, and 3 there. For the cells, if you want multiple lines, separate the lines by the # and exclamation mark. That lets the app know that the next text should come on a separate line. And you can have up to 5 lines in each of the cells for the rubric. So what you want to do here is highlight all the cells. So drag the bottom of the cell where the little round dot is. And let's do that one more time. And highlight all the cells that you want to import. And then you're going to want to long press in the middle and select copy. Now I'm going to switch back to Rubric Scorer app. Here what we're going to do is tap on the rubric options, select edit rubric, and then over here we're going to tap on the more options, which is the 3 vertical dots to the right of the rubric name. And you'll see there's a new option called import from clipboard. So we've just copied the data previously from Google Sheets. Tap import from clipboard, and right away there's our data entered. You can see column A, B, C, row 1, 2, 3, and the data on separate lines there in the cells. So that's how easy it is to import rubric data. Remember, with Google Sheets you can easily type up the data for the rubric on a computer, and it'll be available when you go to the Google Sheets app there. So there's an easy way for you to import rubric data directly from spreadsheets to the app. I hope you enjoyed this new feature.